Good morning, everyone. This is a virtual hearing of the Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs Committee, and it will come to order. This morning, we will consider two nominees for the Governor of the United States Postal Service, Donald Lee Moak, I should say, and William Zollers. We will also consider three nominees for the D.C. Judiciary System, Mark Robbins, Carl Ezekiel Ross, and Elizabeth Shapiro to be Associate Judges of the Superior Court of D.C. Let me do a brief introduction of each. Donald Lee Moak is currently the Chief Executive Officer of the Moak Group. Previously, he served as the President of the Airline Pilots Association and as a captain with Delta Airlines for 31 years. Mr. Moak also served as an officer in the United States Marine Corps, United States Navy Reserve. Thank you so much for that service. William Zollers currently serves on the Board of Directors for Main Street Data, C2FO, Redstone LLC, Cerner Corp, Prologis, and he's the Chairman and CEO of YRC until 2011. Prior to that, served in senior leadership positions with the Ryder Systems Incorporated and the Eastman Kodak Company. Mark Robbins currently serves in OPM's Office of General Counsel as General Counsel position. He also held from 2001 to 2006. From 2012 to 2019, Mr. Robbins served as a member of the United States Merit Systems Protection Board. Prior to that, he served as an attorney in complex civil litigation cases at the state and federal trial court level, was the executive director of the Bush White House Privacy and Civil Liberties Oversight Board, and also served as a senior rule of law advisor for the State Department, where he advised in the development and modernization of an Iraqi provincial legal justice system. Thanks for doing that as well. Exceptionally complicated. Carl Ezekiel Ross, goes by his middle name Ezekiel, by the way, serves as counsel for the House of Representatives Committee on Ethics from 2009 to 2017. He served as Assistant United States Attorney with the Civil Division in the United States Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C. Prior to that, Mr. Ross worked as a litigation associate at Arnold & Porter and served as a law clerk for the Honorable James Spencer of the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Virginia. Most importantly, in his resume to me is he's also a graduate of Aurora University in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Elizabeth Shapiro has been with the Department of Justice's Civil Division Federal Programs Branch since 1991, serving in various roles. Currently, she's the Deputy Director of that department. Previously, Mrs. Shapiro served as an attorney advisor in the Department of Labor's Office of the Solicitor and also served as a law clerk, the Honorable Stephen Elprin and Honorable Susan Winfield of the D.C. Superior Court. The committee takes these nominations extremely seriously. We're pleased to have these nominees before us. Committee staff reached out to many of the colleagues and affiliates of the nominees. They spoke exceptionally highly of all your professional abilities and fitness to potentially serve in the roles from which you've been nominated. Staff has interviewed all the nominees on an array of issues. Each has thoughtfully and competently answered each question. I look forward to speaking with each of you more today on your experience and accomplishments of how you intend to bring them to bear for the District of Columbia and for the nation.